We are Dave Sinclair Customs, and this is a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali that's been completely transformed with a full chrome delete and a few other modifications that we'll talk about in today's video. As of this recording, this truck is sold and no longer available, but you can check out our website for our latest custom truck and SUV inventory, or you can call us today and get your next customization started with us. The Sierra 2500 HD Denali comes standard with 20-inch ultra-bright machined aluminum wheels and a set of all-terrain Blackwell tires. But this truck was ordered from the factory with the 22-inch wheel. Our team took the original factory wheels and had them powder coated. Then we added a custom GMC black center cap. The original Blackwell tires, on the other hand, were swapped out for these NITTO trail grapplers. Our service team also raised this truck up a little bit with a 3.5-inch lift from ReadyLift. This Sierra HD's full chrome delete was done with two colors: the original sterling metallic body scheme and black. Paint matching was done for most of this chrome delete, and this includes items like the door handles and keyless entry buttons, the front fascia, and grille surround. Items like the actual grille, the back GMC emblem, and decals were all blacked out. We used a paint chrome delete, so these items had to be uninstalled from the truck, put through our paint booth, and reinstalled back in the truck once the chrome delete was finished. However, we do have the side window trimming and the running boards vinyl wrapped. We'll also get the windows and the turn indicators tinted as well. Now, it's difficult to see in the daytime, but up front is a black illuminated GMC emblem. It'll turn on with your headlights and illuminate LED lighting around the emblem. In the rear, you'll find a kicker Bluetooth tailgate stereo. This accessory is completely independent of the truck's interior sound system and offers 2 additional charging ports and an aux plug-in. Inside, we placed GMC all-weather floor liners in the first and second row of the cabin. On the truck bed itself, we installed this retractable cover from Roll and Lock. This cover can open and close with the click of a wireless remote, and even turn on this LED light on the inside of the cover. Now, this truck is just one of several HD trucks that we've customized, and you can check out our most recent Sierra HD Denali Ultimate Upfit, or you can check out one of our last builds from the previous generation of the Sierra Heavy Duty, which included a vinyl roof wrap. Thanks for watching.